So you've grown your gardens, you harvested your gardens, now you're ready to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the scene, there's a consumption method for everyone. We'll dive into it in a minute, but first, before we get into the video, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the sponsor of the channel, Mars Hydro. From advanced LED grow lights to mobile apps to help you in every stage of your grow. Don't forget at checkout, you can use my promo code TAPROOTSGROWING and save yourself some money off your order. Alright, let's dive into the video. First up, we have the classic method, smoking. Whether you prefer joints, pipes, or bongs, smoking your flower is one of the most popular and straightforward ways to enjoy its effects. Next, we have vaporizing. Vaporizers heat your flower at lower temperatures, releasing cannabinoids and terpenes without combustion, resulting in smoother hits and reduced exposure to harmful toxins. For those of you with a sweet tooth, edibles offer a delicious alternative. This is actually my favorite way of consuming. From gummies to chocolates to baked goods, these infused treats provide a discreet and long-lasting experience. Next, we have tinctures. Tinctures are liquid extracts infused with compounds of your flower. Simply place a few drops under your tongue for rapid absorption into the bloodstream, making them a convenient option for precise dosing. At number 5, we have topicals. Looking for relief without feeling the effects from your flower? Topicals such as creams and lotions infused with your flower offer targeted relief from pain, inflammation, and skin conditions when applied directly to the skin. Next, we have capsules. Capsules are a convenient and discreet way of consuming. Simply swallow a pre-dosed pill for consistent effect without the need for smoking or vaping. Next, we have dabbing. For experienced users seeking potent effects, dabbing may be the way to go. Dab breaks and concentrates, such as wax and shatter, deliver powerful hits that pack a punch. Next, we have sublingual sprays. Sprays offer a fast-acting alternative to tinctures. Simply spray the liquid under your tongue for fast absorption and for on-the-go relief. Next, we have suppositories. Yeah, that's what I said. Suppositories. This is one I've never heard of. While less common, suppositories provide a unique method of consumption. I'd sure say so. Inserted rectally or vaginally, they offer a rapid onset of effects and are ideal for medical users. I don't think I'll be giving this one a try. Last but not least, don't forget about smoking alternatives, such as pre-rolls, blunts, and hookahs. These variations offer unique flavors and experiences for consumption enthusiasts. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 consumption methods. Whether you prefer the classic puff and pass or you want to explore new horizons, there's something for everyone. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite method of consumption is. Remember to consume responsibly and enjoy the journey. Until next time, peace.